Hello, I'm Pinky. I would like to give you some information about Mastermind Tutorials Private Limited. We are a company in the education field for last 14 years. Mastermind Tutorials Private Limited is an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. We have a team of dedicated experts working on handwriting technology development for last 8 years. We have 800 franchisees across India. And through these outlets, we have been able to train over 3.5 lakh students in various fields of handwriting. For example, handwriting improvement, speed writing, calligraphy, etc. Our experts have developed scientific methods for improvement in cursive, speed writing, print, and italics. Thousands of people have benefited from our graphology report generated by our panel of graphologists. Now, let us have an overview of some teachers, parents and students about handwriting. How does illegible handwriting affect students' personality?
As a teacher, I believe that personality improves with confidence and confidence depends on exposure. So there are two ways to express your knowledge, one through writing and other through verbal communication. So for a student, primary medium of expression is writing, and if he is not able to express his views and knowledge properly, his personality and confidence are affected. And in growing stage, if confidence is not developed, it has great impact in his life.
Well, I'm a primary school teacher and I have seen a student with illegible handwriting becoming introvert because he develops a constant fear of being revoked by his parents, teachers and being made fun by his peers. He avoids showing his written work to anybody. In fact, he goes on to avoid eye contact with his teacher. This badly affects his understanding, expressing capabilities. Over a period of time, he starts believing that he cannot present things properly. As a result, he becomes less confident and develops into an introvert person. His entire personality gets subdued.
What is your view about handwriting?
Handwriting is not my subject, but I have noted the fact that top 10 students in a class have legible handwriting.
As a teacher, handwriting has always been a primary concern for educationalists because a legible handwriting makes a student presentable as well as improves his motor coordination and adds to his confidence also.
How does handwriting affects evaluation of answer sheets?
If you ask me frankly about the handwriting, I would say when we teachers check the answer sheets, we are always under pressure to check all of them in very limited time. And generally we teachers prefer to pick the words which are legible and give marks on the basis of the content which we can actually read. And I'm sure that illegible writers suffer under these kind of circumstances.
Well, if you ask my opinion about handwriting, I would say, last 25 years of my career, I have seen students with good handwriting, they are mostly the toppers in the class. Yes, I would definitely say that a student definitely scores, 2 to 5% marks extra because of its good handwriting. And if the student is not having a good handwriting, he tends to lose on all the fronts, whether it is the marks or the eyes with which the student is seen in front of the teacher. That also diminishes.
What is the importance of handwriting in this computer age?
Now, this is a very mature question. Do you mean to say that if I have a car, I don't have to learn to walk?
Well, in my opinion, a child learns words and spellings through writing, and a child has to think of the words and spelling before he actually writes on the paper. This process also adds to the vocabulary and indirectly helps him to improve his verbal communication.
Well, if you ask about the technology, that is, advancing day by day. But I would say that technology has got its own limitations. It cannot replace the human factor at any point of time. Even if you look at a child, when it picks up a pencil, it starts scribbling it. That is the fundamental level, where handwriting starts, where technology cannot, replace these things. I would say yes, technology definitely helps the understanding, and the people at a later stage, but it cannot replace the human manpower at any point of time. With handwriting, yes, I would say that it is very, very important from the fundamental level to the mature level for anybody.
I would love to give my child some specialized training for his handwriting improvement if I get a chance.
मेरा बच्चा पढ़ने में तो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, पर राइटिंग की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा मार्क्स नहीं लाता है.
The school does not have the time to help my child improve his handwriting.
मेरे ब्रदर की हैंडराइटिंग अच्छी होती तो उसे 10 से 15% मार्क्स डेफिनेटली ज़्यादा ही आते हैं.
मेरे बेटे की हैंडराइटिंग इतनी पुअर है, जब भी इसको होमवर्क मिलता है किसी को दिखाना ही पसंद नहीं करता है, घर में भी किसी को नहीं दिखाता है.
What is the problem you face due to illegible handwriting?
I feel very bad when my teacher tells my mother or father during PTM. I do not like it because my parents feel embarrassed because of me.
Although I know all my answers, I always get low marks because my teacher cannot read my answers.
My teacher always scolds me and I do not like it when it is in front of my classmates.
मेरे friend मुझ पे हंसते हैं, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता.
I don't like to look in my teacher's eyes as I am scared that she will point out on my handwriting.
मेरी टीचर मुझे क्लास के सामने इतना चिल्लाती है, मुझे बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता.
Whoever sees my handwriting give me new advice, like I should write on the line, practice one page daily, etc., etc. But this advice irritates me. Nobody helped me in writing correctly, and even if I practice it daily, nobody bothered to see it. And also, my handwriting is not improving.
मुझे सारे आंसर्स आते हैं, फिर भी मेरे मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आते क्योंकि मेरी टीचर मेरी हैंडराइटिंग पढ़ नहीं पाती है.
Okay friends, we have seen what actually parents, teachers and students think about handwriting. If I were to conclude or summarize, I can say illegible handwriting and related problems affects entire communication skills, learning of language and vocabulary, the personality of the writer and his confidence as well, affects entire education, that is scoring marks, learning process and understanding of the subject, causes disoriented mind and motor coordination. We can also conclude that if the legibility of one's handwriting is improved, all the above problems can be taken care of. Do you think handwriting can be improved?
मेरे ख्याल से handwriting improvement बच्चों के लिए ज़्यादा फायदेमंद रहेगा. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि बड़ों की हैंडराइटिंग कभी इम्प्रूव हो सकती है.
मेरे बच्चे की तो हैंडराइटिंग बचपन से ही खराब है. अब मुझे कोई उम्मीद नहीं कि उसकी हैंडराइटिंग सुधर पाएगी.
No, I think handwriting cannot be improved after a certain age.
I would like to say yes, the handwriting can be improved in just 7 days. We can say it very confidently because we have proved it more than 3.5 lakh times. We have successfully trained and improved the handwriting of more than 3 lakh students till now. Let's view some of their samples.
In ancient times, communication was done through pictures. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are the best examples we can refer to, where seals were used to communicate. Communication developed over centuries. The major contributors being India, China, Egypt, Rome, and the today's modern alphabets were developed over the last 4,000 years. Ultimately, pictures got replaced with alphabets, words, and complete sentences. It has been proved beyond doubt that better writing skills have helped in understanding of the language, including learning spellings and development of the language itself. Having seen the samples, it has been proved handwriting can be improved in 7 days by just working on the technical flaws scientifically, correcting the postures, and ultimately writing consciously. We also know handwriting is not just writing, it reflects a personality. There's the confidence, attitude, compatibility, mindset, etc.
So friends, I'm sure we have been able to understand the importance of legible handwriting in one's education career, as it also helps in scoring higher marks in examinations. We also know handwriting is a reflection of one's personality, so add value to your personality and enroll with Write Right.